Let's grow flaxseed microgreens at home together. Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to look into growing flaxseed or linseed microgreens at home together. So last time I showed you how to grow chia microgreens at home. You can check in the video above, and I also mentioned you can grow flaxseed microgreens the same way. Let's have a look. So I've got some flaxseed here. They can have either brown color or golden color, it doesn't matter which ones you've got, and it's better to store them in dark glass if you have any, so I store it in dark glass as well. And let's have a look. I need to show you before I harvest it because I'm gonna cut it soon. And as you can see on the top, you've got some seeds, so you can easily take it off. They either fell down on its own, or you can just strip it off. It shouldn't be any issue. You can see I can peel it off easily. And what do you need? Obviously you need yourself, then you need some plate. The size is up to you. I've got a big size plate, so it really depends how much you want to grow. And then you need some paper towel. If you don't have a paper towel, you can use either napkins or even toilet paper, whatever paper you've got. I think the paper towel it's the easiest option. And then you just need flax seeds and something to spray it on, and that's it. So how I did it, I took the plate, put the paper towel on, then I sprayed with water. I put the seeds on the top of it. You don't soak it overnight or for a couple of hours because you know what they do if they soak. They are sort of like jelly-like, the gelatin stuff, so it would go to waste. And it's the same with chia seeds, so you don't pre-soak them. You only make sure the paper towel it's really nice and wet. You spray it, and then what I did, I put another plate on the top of it and let it cover for a couple of days. It really depends on the season and on the temperature in your house. And when I see it sprouted, I take the plate off. I keep spraying this and leave it by window. And obviously you will need to be turning this because as you can see they will turn where the sun is facing, so mine are facing this way, so I was gonna turn them the other way around. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy. You can see I can easily peel it off, and you can see the roots there. So there is no mess, no soil, so you can wash it gently, but you don't get the dirt and stuff like that, so it's really easy to handle. And you can just cut it off with scissors and enjoy it. It's got a sort of a nice and nutty flavor, so you can put it into salads, you can put it into smoothies, you can put it in your breakfast bowl if you are doing, I don't know, maybe chia pudding or stuff like that. You can put it there, you can put it in any spreads. You know, the possibilities are endless in your wrap, in your sandwich, on and on and on. So whatever you eat during the day, just have a little nibble and add it there and enjoy it. Enjoy the freshness. It's really healthy and full of nutrition. So this is full of chlorophyll, and If you don't like eating this like that, just put it into smoothie so you are not gonna see it, and you will get the same great benefit. Okay, it was just a quick one. I wanted to show you before I harvest this, because this is going to go soon. So I was thinking, yes, I need to shoot a quick video. And if you've got garden and you would like to see the wonderful flowers, you can just spread it outside and let it grow. A couple of years ago, I was growing flax seeds, not for harvesting, but for just enjoying the beauty and giving some food to bees, because it's got wonderful blue flowers. And if you'd like to try it, just sprinkle it in the pot outside, and you will see it. Let it grow. If you like, of course, you can harvest the flax seeds, but I really enjoy the flowers, so I think maybe this year I will sprinkle some outside as well to enjoy the beauty. So let me know in the comments below if you are growing this at home regularly, what is the favorite way to use it. And if you don't have a garden at home or some outside space, you have no excuse now why you can't grow anything at home. Because look, you've got plate, you've got paper towel, and I'm sure you will find some sprayer. If you don't have it, you can gently sprinkle it with water anyway, and yes, grow it. So no excuse, get your green fingers out and happy growing. Go and grow something amazing. Have a delicious day. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find it useful. Share with your friends and family, spread some love, subscribe now if you haven't done so, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart, bye until next time!